Hello and welcome to Uncomplication. Today is an exciting day for me. A lot has gone into this announcement that we have opened up the crypto garden to the public. So if you've been following along on my channel, you might know that the crypto garden is the community that I co-founded with my friend Pete and a whole team of other really passionate people with the objective of growing humanity through crypto. So that is the place where on a daily basis we are engaged in the conversation, creating content. For example, this afternoon I'm co-hosting a deep dive into Cardano with my friend and colleague Bandito, who is an amazing professional trader, very funny, very sharp, knows a ton about this space. So that's a weekly classroom that we host. Tomorrow morning I have my lifelong friend and yoga guru, Libby Lyons, coming to teach a yoga class just to the Crypto Garden members. We have Sunday gatherings. We've got Tuesdays with Cello, another amazing educator. The point is that that is really the safe container that we've built around some of the best minds that we've found in the space to create a home for people that are looking to get deeper into crypto, but want to do so with trusted people that can help guide and educate. And so what that means for Uncomplication is that my personal activities in crypto are going into the crypto garden. That's where I'm posting videos. That's where my YouTube videos get published before they land on YouTube. And that's basically where I'm going to be living my crypto life. That means on Uncomplication, I am going to be going back to my roots, back to the origin of Uncomplication for me, which is really a vehicle to explore life. And share my experience through meditation and drugs and spirituality and philosophy and entrepreneurialism and all of the crazy things that we do to live life in the modern world. So if you've been tuning in here for the crypto content, I suggest you go to thecryptogarden.io and join the community there. It is a membership, $10 a month gets you in. And then for those of you that stick around here as we go deeper and deeper down the rabbit hole into Uncomplication, there's gonna be a lot more interviews with interesting people. I can knock on a lot bigger doors now that I have such an amazing audience, you who have shown up. So I want to unmask Musk. I want to de-wig Willy Woo. I want to get to the heart of these questions that keep me up at night, and maybe you'll enjoy going along on that journey as well. So you can go to uncomplication.com. You can check out all the articles and podcasts and artwork and things that I've done over the last 6 or 7 years with Uncomplication. And then I hope to see you in the crypto garden. I hope that that is staying true to my objective here, which is to create a trusted place that you can reliably come to and get the information you need and then get back to living your life. And that's the whole purpose of the crypto garden. So I hope that's a community that you're excited about as I am. The other thing I will say is if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Twitter @Uncomplication. That's a much better way for me to make quick announcements like this or just get a message to you. YouTube is really lousy for that. Depending on the keywords or the time of day, you might miss something. So @Uncomplication on Twitter is a great way that we can stay in touch. But yeah, if you can't tell, I'm really excited about this. I think this is really going to allow the crypto flavored cruise ship to continue into a great place with great people that are furthering that mission of growing humanity. And then this frees me up on Uncomplication to get back to those roots, to really dig deep down the rabbit holes. And I hope that that's a journey that you're excited about as well. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in. thecryptogarden.io and uncomplication.com. And I will see you all next time. Cheers.